So, what exactly is third-party maintenance, and how can you use it to accomplish your business goals? These are two important questions, and understanding the answers to each can help you strategically plan the life cycle of your IT infrastructure. Third-party maintenance, or TPM, is the name the IT industry has given to break-fix, post-warranty hardware maintenance service. TPM services are provided without OEM authorization by an organization independent of the OEM. A TPM provider does not use any OEM resources to deliver their service. This means there are several pros and cons to TPM service for you to consider. One major pro is that TPM is ideal to maximize your return on investment for stable, workhorse items in your infrastructure. Any set-it-and-forget-it type devices that you need to just work, and work reliably, for a long period of time. Plus, TPM is an ideal solution as your equipment ages and is deemed end-of-life by the OEM, but you still want to keep it in your infrastructure. TPM can provide flexible services dedicated to a quicker, easier resolution for you. While TPM can't provide software and firmware access, and shouldn't be used for all devices, it can be a great fit for certain areas. TPM is an important arrow in your quiver to strategically plan out your infrastructure lifecycle and allow you to meet your business goals. Hope you enjoyed this Tech Tips video from CXtec. Contact us anytime at CXtec.com to learn more.